The simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessing, your blessing. Simple things, them are your blessing. You better notice your blessings. We've got life, so let's live. You make the time to chase the paper. When last you say your prayer. We've got life, so let's live. And while you're worshiping your treasure, remember nothing.
Everyone, it's a new day, a new vlog. Who says that? Baddie twins. Anyways, it's breakfast time. Ackee and saltfish, the national dish. My favorite is dumpling, but fried dumpling. I almost forgot what this was called. Fried.
And the good old Jamaican mint.
Yes. This is not tea bag, okay, guys? This is not, well, his is, but that's not mint. This is not tea bag. This is real bush tea. Bush? You know what a bush is? Like grass? That's what it is. Oh, I thought this was, this almost looks like Ackee and saltfish. So guys, the of me era stressed me out and I work. So today I am doing the other favors, the candy favors. So right now pretty much what I'm doing is I'm just trying to box up everything, make the boxes so that when we get the candies you can just put them in there and stuff. Friday morning the rentals are coming, the chairs, the tables, all of that stuff. So we're gonna go to the hall and decorate. I went there last night. I didn't get to vlog it because my phone was dying or pretty much dead. So yeah, so they're coming between 9 and 10 Friday morning. So we're gonna go there Friday morning, set up the tables, decorate, do whatever, just so that if we need anything else, we have the rest of the day to get whatever we need. And then Saturday is the big day. I feel like I'm getting married, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I want to start painting the card box today. I have to paint their chair signs. I have to paint, that's it. And then yeah, I think Thursday evening I'm going to blow up the balloons for the centerpieces, just so that they're already done, because I have to do 10 of those. And then when I get to the hall, I only have to worry about the balloon columns that I'm going to do. And then what else? Yeah, I think that's about it. So for the candy favors, I have these bottles, I have these mini candy boxes, and then I also have these boxes. So we're doing different ones, and yeah, I think that's pretty much it. And then I have to make the photo frame for the pictures, and I also have to make like some props to take pictures. But what was I gonna say? That's about it. My face is getting stiff because I have my morning wash thing on my face. I just wanted it to sit down on there for a little bit, even though it's not really gonna make that much of a difference, but I wanted it to sit down there for a little bit before I do anything. And then yeah, oh, and then I have to make the banner. So the chair signs that I got for them, one says Mr., one says Mrs., and it's arrows that point into the right direction. I have to do the table numbers, and then yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So yeah, I'm gonna start working on this, and then when something else interesting happens, I will come back to y'all and I will let y'all know. Mosquito bite me, they might bite me up. I'm gonna go use the bathroom. Go back here. Okay, bye. Guys, I'm still here in my clothes, my bedtime clothes, yeah, because I'm working. As you can see, I just finished painting the boxes. Yeah, I just finished painting the boxes. This is for the card box, so I'm gonna paint the lids now, and I'm gonna make them a lighter color. They're gonna be a lavender, and the smaller one, or the actual box part, is purple velvet. So I'm gonna do this. He's gonna come look for me. I haven't seen my friend in so long. I haven't seen my friend since 2016. Same thing like my long lost brother. So yeah, literally since 2016. Damn, I'm bad. Anyways, those be for reasons beyond my control. So yeah, I'm gonna paint this. I'm gonna go paint this and then go get ready. And yeah, cause me little fun in my life. Talk to me nice. So excited. So I'm at my sister's house. Me and Pops are eating sugar bun. Right, Pops? He woke up with the hiccups. Well, he's drinking water too. Your little palm man, your obvious and no, you guys. You should see how this little boy eats. Don't look at me because you know I'm talking about you. I'm gonna insert a video of Khamari at Burger King. Khamari just turned 1 on December the 11th. Okay? Okay? Okay. Yeah. Just came back from install. Khamari? Khamari? Can Auntie have some? Khamari? Can Auntie have some? 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 Khamari? Auntie have some? Khamari, come get Auntie some. You see how rude he is? Khamari, give me some. Some? Some. Give me some. Some? Get Auntie some? Nice. Khamari is nice. He's sharing. Give me some. Some? Got some? Give me some. Give me some now. Alright, go on. Come, I can't bother with your crying right now. Take it. I don't want it. Take it. You're too out. Take it and eat it. I don't want it. You're so rude. Like, who do you think you are? I didn't have to give you peace, eh? Look at you, got it all in my hair and everything. So rude. Don't look at me. Come on, I'm soon left in. Come on, walk, go home. I don't know wear right shoes for walk right now. Now I have to come to one of the dresses because, girl, our girl felt naked, okay? I felt fully clothed at the beach, but naked on the street. Oh, I didn't get to vlog, but I went to the, I went to Dead End. I met up with a friend. And I went to Dead End and stuff. And yeah, I'm just chilling, you know, Dead End. If you've been to Montego Bay or you've been to Dead End Beach, you know what I want. Music, vibes, all of that good stuff. So that's what we did. Ow. And then I came to look for my popsy poop. Stop it! Don't do that. I said, behave yourself. You're too rude. Do you have manners or no? Do you have manners? No, you don't, right? You're too spoiled. That's your problem. Look how big he is, you guys. Khamari is a huge human being. Look at him. Like... Hi, Kyle. That's Kiana's nephew. Khamari, don't be a rude little boy, okay? Especially to Auntie. You do not be rude to me. Do you understand? No. You're gonna be a nice little boy. Do you understand me? Drink your water like a nice boy. Drink your water. Nice. Nice. Yes. Calm your down. Calm your down. I should have jelly water on. Wash off your arms. Auntie's babies. Auntie's one nephew. That's my auntie's one nephew. That's my auntie's baby. Yes, it's finished. It's finished, Pops. I had a great day today. Yeah, it was fantastic. I just haven't, from I came, been able to just chill and relax without doing anything wedding. So that was a good little outing. I'm staying up here for a little bit before I go back home, because when I go back home, it's back to work. I have to finish the card box, and all of that stuff. But Angie's cooking. Let's go see what she's cooking. Whoa, where did all these flakes come from? Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so hungry. I told her from 1 o'clock I was coming, and she's just cooking as I came. Oh my god. Oh my god. You know I'm gonna come before nighttime fall, before dinner time. She just has start with the coconut. Oh my god. We're gonna be here all day. This looks so freaking good already. I'm not going there yet. We're gonna get some food. Watch out! I headbutt too much. I headbutt me. Khamari, do you have manners? This boy is about to headbutt me. Watch out!
Hungry, Zoe, but no sweet Khamari.
Angie, don't make me laugh.
I'm no feed me that. Yes, no, you no feed.
It's hurt. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so hungry.
Huh? Now show me eye. Wipe your nose. Wipe your nose. Wipe your nose. Wipe your nose. So Angie's always saying I can't wipe your nose.
Khamari, you disappoint me.
I'm a DJ. I'm a DJ. Take up your phone.
Uh-uh. Walk.
You have to stand up so. What's your phone?
With them the two of them can't walk.
See here. Go for your phone. Go for your Pepsi. Your Pepsi.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Go for your Pepsi. Get it. Go for your Pepsi.
Walk.
Come for Pepsi, come. Come. Sit here. Dodo, ya Dodo.
Sounds like it.
Come on, Doodle.
Get up.
Doodle.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
You're in the video.
I wish you guys got to see her face. Yo, and I was sitting in that. Can you imagine? Oh my gosh.
Let me make sure sense. I'm not letting go.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
When I look at where I'm coming from, I know I'm blessed, and I close my eyes and smile. Sometimes I feel